Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a funnel chart on your Microsoft Excel web. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert a funnel chart on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer, just going to show. So first of all, select the data here. I just entered data like pencil, rubber and box. So it's a count. So click on the insert option and just click on the, you will see option called chart. Click on the other chart option. So here you can see a lot of options here. So you can see the last option called funnel. Click on this, which is a progress bar like this. You can just resize it and you can just place here. If you want to change the actual title like access legend and data of the labels, you can just customize. If you want to have a further customization, click on this format option, which brings the pop-up on this side. And here you will see an option called data and format option. And if you just want to change the color, you just click on this, and here you will see option to change the colors like this. You can change the color, whatever the color you just needed. It's simple to change, and you can also change the outline too. And if you just needed label data, if you just turn it on or turn it off, you can also add serious name like a pencil, or category name, or like the whatever you just needed. It's simple to change, and also you can just change the access. If you doesn't want, you can just remove it, and if you just need it, you can just enable to show the default access like this. This is how you just create the funnel chart on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Unique. Have a wonderful day.